Just want to show you that this is normal. We've all kind of been sick for like a whole month in this house. And I guess the antibodies are kicking in because do you see the color of this? It's been sitting in the fridge probably like 3 or 4 days. And it's like separated, but you see how green it looks? And then there's this one that's not as green looking. Yeah, you see that difference? And there's this one. This one. And this one's from this morning. So it hasn't separated. But what the heck? Like, what? Our bodies are amazing. Just want to show you. Have a good day.